Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, I'm coming at you with another video, just another video. I got my Boxycharm, finally. So the thing is that it wasn't lost. One of my neighbors had it and they went away on a weekend vacation. I don't know why the post office gave it to my neighbor, but they gave it to my neighbor. I guess because she was like, she never brings anything back. She prides herself on that. But at the end of the day, I'd rather her bring it back and put a pink slip up so I could go get it, because I like the errand to go get it, especially because I like my postal workers and at the post office. They're really nice to me, and they always say I look good. So I'd rather go over there for confidence too. Why not? Anyways, so we got our Boxycharm in the mail. Boxycharm is a $25 monthly subscription box plus tax, and it's a beauty subscription box, meaning makeup, skincare, all that and above, even some beauty tools. It's just a whole bunch of stuff. And it comes in 3 tiers. Boxycharm base box, that's what this is. Boxycharm Luxe, that's every 3 months. And then also Boxycharm Premium, which I do not get anymore. I don't even know if we can get Boxycharm anymore. I am getting Boxycharm next month, but again, I don't know. I don't know if I'm keep on getting Boxycharm because I've just been let down, and Ipsy Glam Pack has been killing it. Which I know for some people it's the other way around. Again, it's different people, it's different profiles. Sometimes they listen to it, sometimes they don't. It is what it is. Anyways, BTS Back to School, that's the theme for this month. My variation is C21, that's 2021. 09, that's September, and then 10. So my variation is 10. All right, let's get up in this. The first thing that I'm seeing is this right here. This is, let me find it, Georgette Killinger Marula Primer. Blur imperfections and ensure an all-day radiant finish, hydrating and long wear. It's cushioned skin with active hyaluronic acid. Ensure silky smooth makeup application. Ideal for all oily and silicone-based foundation formulas. This retails for $32. Again, I would not pay $32 for a primer, but I'm glad that it's in my bag. Ooh, that was hard to twist open. Oh, we got a seal too. Oh, it's sounding like it's getting really dangerous outside. It's supposed to be raining soon. Yikes, right? So this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna squirt it on the back of my hand. Oh, it is like a gel base, silicone base. It's like white and clear. So I put it on my face. I don't think I see anything different. Again, I don't think I see anything different. The next item is right here. This is $1 Billion Brows on Point Micro Brow Pencil and Taupe. This retails for $16. The thing is about this taupe is that taupe is not really taupe, which I am really excited for because as you can tell, I do not have taupe close to blonde hair. So let me show you. Whoa. Again, that is not taupe. And usually like taupe is universal. This is definitely not taupe. But it's definitely gonna work for my brows. Ooh. Did I tell you that this is not just an unboxing? It's an unboxing and try on. Actually, you could actually see that right now for yourself because everything I unboxed, I tried it on. Looking good so far. Here's one eyebrow done and here's one eyebrow not done. But I'm just happy that I got an eyebrow pencil and I don't have to buy a backup of an eyebrow pencil. Because literally all I've been using is gel. I've been really lazy. I don't been wanting to buy an eyebrow pencil. But now I got one. Yay! Overall, this pencil is not a really good pencil. It broke like 3 times while I was doing my eyebrows, but it kept precise and it did its job, so it's okay. $16 for this. I could see myself paying half the price, like if it's on half sale, $8, but 16, no, not for this. I have better, like, not name brand, like, I have better drugstore ones than this. The next thing is something that I don't think costs that much, but I do love this bag and I kind of want to use it as a clutch because it feels so good. It's like, I don't know what that feeling, I think that feeling is like suede. It just feels so soft and so good. It feels so luxurious, but I could tell that, you know, it's a pouch. But again, I would like to like just wear it like this and just have it like this. Just be like, hey, what's up? How you doing? Got my little clutch here. But this is a 3-piece brushette from Eleanor Bador. I don't know, Baby Blues bust set, and this is $58. This 3-piece limited edition brushette is decadent synthetic makeup brushes. Contour, blend, and defined with these brushes. It's limited edition, so it's really not what I would consider something that you could get. So I wouldn't consider these brushes as a real item. This is like just a bonus item, but I would consider this as an item. I have a cheek brush that you could contour with, but I would probably put blush on with this brush. You have a blending brush, which I will be using it in a second. I just dropped the cheek brush. And then you have this brush, which is like an eyeliner brush, which I will not be using today, but I do like them. So I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Haze palette. I'm going to use my blending brush. I'm going to go into this shade right above here for my brow bone. And I'm just going to go like that. Got some on my nose. Just a little bit, like, yeah, it is. Just stipple it and then blend. Oh, do you not see the difference? I see the difference. That's like a total higher arch. Okay, to get my look, I put this right here in the crease and then this one on the outer corner to get this khaki look. I just did that. And then get the outer corner with the darker shade. And shade and blend. And go up and down and blend. And just in circle motions. And bam. Voila! Alright, I'm going to use a cheek brush for blush. Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio in dark, but it's dark rich. But yeah, so I just like swipe them all and then go more for the orange. That's more my skin color. Just like give a little brightness to the cheeks, a little color to the face. Woo! Alright, I'm liking how that looks. Yes. Little on the nose. Give a little flush on the nose. Alright. Woo. Ooh. Yes, I put some eyeliner on too. But that's not part of the box. I mean, I could have used the eyeliner brush, but I didn't want to use the eyeliner brush. The next thing in the box is from Real Her. This is No Filter Deep and Nude. This is a lipstick which retails for $18. Moisturizing lipstick over time, and encapsulated water is released from the lipstick, providing hydration to your lips. Not only is each shade infused with jojoba seed oil, shea butter, and vitamin E, but each lipstick also provides all-day hydration with creamy, smooth application. Whew, that was like a lot to say. Like a lot. So this is not deep nude. This is straight up pink. I had to mix it with mauve over so it could calm down, but it originally looked like this. Like this is more deeper than this. This is more peachier, deeper than this. This is like pink. Like what is this? And it fooled me because it looks like this. That doesn't look like the same color. This looks like a little bit more deeper. I could always just mix it like I did this, a mauve lip gloss, or I can mix it with a chocolate lip liner or a chocolate lipstick. But again, it's just not me. Also, by itself, it has like butthole lips where it's like nothing in the middle. It's just no. It's very moisturizing besides the middle. It's just, it does that with my lips. I don't know if it would do it with yours. It does it with mine. Nice packaging. It kind of reminds me of YSL. That's the reason why I liked it. But yeah, I would not pick this. This is $18. I would not buy this. So let's go over the 4 products that we already said. The brush set I would not buy, but it's in here. So, and I used it and I like it. But again, I would not buy. I would not get this. I would not get. But I used it and I'm going to use it, keep on using it. The brow product I would get, the primer I would get, but again, I would get like on Ulta, like deals if it's in Ulta, and the brow product I would get on deals. Again, I don't like to spend that much money for products, but again, I would buy those. So 2 out of the 4 I would buy. Let's get into the last product, which was my choice item, which also is something I would buy, but on like a Sephora VIB sale. It's the Glam Glow Youth Mud Glow Stunner Exfoliating Treatment Mask, which retails for $60. I'm not going to be using it because it's a skincare item, of course, but this is the last item in the box, which the total retail value of the whole box is $184. My total of all the stuff that I would keep of the Glam Glow, the primer, and the brow product will be down below in the description box, plus all how you can get all these items, and also my link to Boxycharm if you want to sign up. But overall, this box gets a 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5 products I actually really like and I will actually buy. So it gets a C. I hope it gets an A one day again, but it gets a C. That's better than last month. If you want to see what I got last month, the video will be popping up. Also, if you want to see other videos, again, video popping up. If you want to subscribe to my channel and haven't subscribed, face will be popping up right here. And also, I have a palette from last month that's on my Mercari. Still, go check it out. That's it for this video. I hope you have a great day, and thank you for trying on as much products as I can with Boxycharm. All right, deuces. Bye.